Hi, hello. Welcome to English A1 course. I'm your teacher, Mr. Pierre, and today I'm going to walk you through various greetings in English. Alright? So now, in English, there are formal greetings and informal greetings. So real quick, I'm going to talk about that. So now, formal greetings is a manner at which you greet someone who you barely know. It could be a superior, it could be a colleague in an organization, someone you barely know, or someone you're meeting for the first time. Alright? While informal greetings, these are manners at which you greet someone who you know very well, someone you're cordial with, like your friends, like your colleagues at work, and people you know too well. Alright? So I'm going to walk you through various greetings in English, and I'm going to explain how to use them in your daily life. Alright, so the first one here is hello. Hello. Now, hello is a formal greeting. Alright, so now it is appropriate to say hello to someone you barely know or someone you're meeting for the first time. So, hello. Alright, good. And the next one here is hi. Now, hi is appropriate to be used for friends or someone you're cordial with. Hi, very informal and shows that you have a good relationship with the person. Alright, the next one here is good morning. Alright, so I have good morning sir or good morning ma'am. So now good morning sir for a man, while good morning ma'am for a woman. Alright, so when you say good morning sir, it has to be in the morning. Alright, it has to be in the morning. So now anytime you say good morning sir, good morning ma'am, that means you're greeting the person a good morning, or you're wishing the person a good morning. Alright, the next one here is good day. Good day. So now good day is also like a wish. You're wishing the person a good day. Oh, good day to you sir, good day to you ma'am. A very formal and appropriate greeting. Alright, good day sir, good day ma'am. The next one here is good afternoon. Good afternoon. Now, good afternoon is used in the afternoon. Alright? You can as well say good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon, ma'am. Good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon, ma'am. Alright? The next one is good evening. Now, good evening is used in the evening. Alright? When the day is getting dark. So, good evening, sir. Good evening, ma'am. Alright? Now, the next one is good night. So now this greeting is only used at night when you're about to go to bed. Good night. Good night, sir. Good night, mom. Alright? The next one is goodbye. Goodbye. Now goodbye is used after a conversation or after a meeting. So for example, you've been talking to someone for a while and you're about to take your leave. So it's appropriate to say goodbye. Goodbye. And the last one here is see you next time. See you next time. Alright? So see you next time shows that you want to see the person again or until we meet again. So these are greetings that shows that you're probably going to come across the person some other day. Alright? So see you next time. Alright, so a quick recap. Hello can be used any time of the day. Hello can be used any time of the day. It can be used in the morning, it can be used in the afternoon, it can be used in the evening, it can also be used at night. Alright? Hi also applies, but hi is important for you to know it's an informal greeting, only used for people you know very well, people you're cordial with. Alright? Good morning, sir. Good morning, ma'am. Used in the morning. Good day. Talking about the day in general. Good day, sir. Good day, ma'am. Good afternoon. Used in the afternoon. Good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon, ma'am. Good evening. Good evening. Used in the evening. Good evening, sir. Good evening, ma'am. Good night. Good night is used only at night. Like I mentioned earlier, you're about to go to bed. Good night. Goodbye. After a conversation, you're about to take your leave. Goodbye. See you next time. That shows that you're going to see the person some other time. It could be tomorrow, it could be next tomorrow, it could be next month, it could be next year. Alright? See you next time. So now, I hope it was clear and you understood all of these greetings on the board. So I hope to see you in the next video. Thank you.